Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Steven Samut. I am a behavioral neuroscientist. I am recording these videos in order to share with you a bit more explicitly the research that I have conducted in my lab. In the process, I will also be giving you background in terms of research, how it's done, and explaining the foundation behind, over which, I should say, research is actually set up and the logic behind and reasoning behind the research that I've done. As a behavioral neuroscientist, one of the beauties of this field is that it enables me to think more seriously and in depth and more directly about the implications of my research and what it means at the human level. So you'll see that aspect come out in some of the results that I will be sharing with you. I have already shared these results in slides over the internet, and also you can find more information on my lab webpage, and which you can see at the bottom right of the slide. However, in those slides, they may have been dense in terms of the information that's provided there, and maybe some of the results may not have been as clear as maybe they are to me because I am the one conducting the experiment. So I want to make this research clear for the public because, after all, the research that we do is only useful if it ultimately helps humanity. And for that, people need to understand what we're doing and also understand the findings and what they mean. So one of the first aspects that I'm going to be addressing is the preclinical studies, what they are, and how they help, what their significance is. So I've addressed the goals of these videos. One other thing I want to add in regards to the goals of the videos is that they are only going to be about 3 minutes long, so I'm going to keep them short intentionally. And I am going to be as consistent as I can, but that is all time dependent. So what I'm going to be covering will include a background. I'm going to address what preclinical studies are. I'm going to address why they are necessary and very intimately linked. I'm going to be addressing also ethics of use of humans in research and ethics of use of animals in research. I am certainly not going to be doing a comprehensive coverage of these topics, but at the very least, I do hope that I'll be able to give you an idea of the significance of these aspects in the work that we do. I'm going to be talking about preclinical studies that I have conducted in my lab pertaining to the consequences of inducing abortion using mifepristone, RU486, or the abortion pill. Those are all the same thing. And I'm going to be also showing you and addressing the results pertaining to the abortion pill reversal. In addition, I'm also going to be addressing survey research pertaining to mental health, including research that I've conducted pertaining to impulsivity, scrupulosity, and pornography use and the negative consequences thereof, or the implications in terms of mental health. This is part of the aspect, as I said, with regards to being a behavioral neuroscientist, the beauty of it, being able to relate what I do at the preclinical level to the human level. Please tune in, make sure you tune in next time for more information pertaining to preclinical research.